Gonna run a little competition here today between some scaled trucks with tires. Tamiya CR01, running the pit bulls, 5.5 inches tall. Everything's gonna be going up against this Axial Dingo, the RC four-wheel drive Predator tracks, the new upgraded Deep Lug track. You got a Axial Honcho running the 2.2 pit bulls with a lift kit, some upgraded shocks. HPI Crawler King with the HPI rock grabber tires. It's another Axial Dingo running aftermarket tires. They're a Pro Line hammer, Jeep body on there. The winch going, light bar. The Axial Wraith running brushless, Max Pro, Novak brushless motor. Also got the tallest RC four-wheel drive, 5.7 inches tall. They're the Mickey Thompson 2.2s. Over here we got another Honcho running a Team Tekin 35 turn heavy duty motor with RC four-wheel drive Mudslingers. Got some fresh snow out here. Be running these one at a time. First we'll run the Dingo, the Jeep body, 2.2 Pro Line hammers, lift kit, Junfac shocks. Can hear a weird sound going on there. Got BBs inside the tires for weights. Works really well for scaling in the summer. Much as far as she's gonna go without forward and reverse. Forward, reverse. Pushing snow at the bumper. Front tires are buried under the snow. Shut this one down, go on to the next one. Made it a little ways. Snow gets quite a bit deeper as you get out or into the open out there. Next, we'll run the Brushless Wraith, running on 3-cell. Pushing snow up over the top of the hood. Pretty much it, unless we keep going backward and forward. Shut this one down. Made it a little farther than the Jeep. It's the Wraith out there. Jeep over here. Turn this one on. RC4 drive Mudslingers. Got them cut for some extra traction. Team Tekin 35 turn heavy duty. All trucks are running on 2-cell Lipos with the exception of the Wraith, running on 3S. Uh-oh. I think that's it. Once again, tires are buried. Can't even see the front tires. Front bumper's pretty much under the snow. Didn't make it far. 2.2s, cut for traction. Next we'll run the Honcho. Pretty much the same rig. This time running the 2.2 pit bulls. In my opinion, this is the best scale tire you could buy. Really wide, really soft. Get it out there making some of its own trail. be going a lot further than them Mudslingers. I think she's done though. Digging right down to the grass. About 5 inches of snow here. She's going again. There's the Wraith over there. Starts to get deeper out here. That's it. Snow is up over the bumper, just about. Well, it's pretty much over the hood. Front tires are buried. Another one bites the dust. Gonna shut this truck down. A couple of them run on the same controller. I think next we'll go with the CR01. It's also running pit bull tires. It's a little different setup on the truck. Shorter wheelbase. Snow's starting to get a little deeper. Now she's hung right up. Front tires are buried. Pushing snow at the bumper. There's the Dingo running the hammers. Shut this one down. We'll go back, get the Crawler King, see how the rock grabbers do. The hammers back here on the Honcho. It gets deep out here. Hung right up. The Wraith went a little further. Pit bulls out there on the Honcho. Everybody's stuck. Time to try out the tracks. Just drove a circle around the rest of them. Pretty deep out here. It's run on a 3-cell brushless also. Let's give it, see what I got. We finally got her stuck. There it comes. Way out and beyond the rest of the trucks. Every now and then you gotta back up, hit it again. Right down into a crawl. pushing snow. Right up to the bumper. This truck sits a little taller than the rest, the way the body's mounted up. It's out again. Thanks for watching, guys. Tracks versus tires. Pretty sure the tracks got them.